Tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a tornado warning for west central McLean County in northwestern Kentucky, northeastern Hopkins County in northwestern Kentucky, northeastern Webster County in northwestern Kentucky until 4:15 p.m. At 3:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles north of Madisonville, moving north at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Madisonville, Hanson, and Slaughters. This includes Interstate 69 in Kentucky between mile markers 119 and 133.
Interstate 69.
Take cover now.
That's what she said.
Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Hopkins, McLean, and Webster. The National